Alright, Genie 1155B 8-foot chain drive installed an 18x8 Clopay vinyl back. Swapped out the intermediate, that 21-inch panel was right there, and we swapped it backwards so the glass would be on top. Motor's right there, battery backup on the side, wall buttons over here. Adjusted the springs, we replaced the LiftMaster 3255 8-foot chain. I've worked on this door before. Sensors. Brand new wires last time, so didn't need to this time, and it's way better than the Genie wires. Go back up. Remote's right here.